Taking pictures, think you're wearing wrong size, cause them clothes don't fit you. Could you probably, possibly accept the possibility that when the hedge is low, you can jump to the side and scream, hey missy, missy, would you still hold and kiss me if I didn't have a car, nice clothes? Would you miss me if I suddenly, tragically, absolutely, radically set free the world with no hand written apology?